November 7th, 2015. Engines are winterized in the boat, and we came down today to take the few final things off the boat that might freeze or that we wanted to store at home. So we started doing the big walk back and forth down the dock. Got to use those little plastic stairs to get on the boat down there. There's our friend Marv. He has a boat down, a couple slips down from us, and he's doing the same thing this afternoon that we are. One thing we can't forget is to lower the antennas, because the boat goes in the shed and it just clears the top of the boat now, so the antennas have to come down. One of them requires a little work with a wrench. So we fiddle around with that for a while. Finally get it down. There it goes. Oh, good. So let's climb across the front of the boat and do the antennas on the other side. Done. And off we go. I think this is our last trip of the afternoon. There were about 5, I think. Hear the saws up there. Guys cutting frames for their shrink wrap. The yard has about 120 boats in it right now. Oh, here I come again. One more time. Now, this is the last time. Got to put those steps up on the boat because they'll blow off during the night. Makes it really hard to get on then. Getting kind of cold at this point too. Glad that job's over.
That's a good idea, bringing the charger.
And we take one last look down the Connecticut River. We won't see this from the water until next spring.
Today is a beautiful Sunday in the fall, on November 8th, I believe, and Bill and I had one last mission to accomplish to end our summer at American Wharf, which was to remove our what we call our string of pearls, which are gigantic fenders that welcome us home every time we go out. And since we didn't have a hose, and we discovered that the fenders were absolutely encrusted in mussels, we found a hose that we could use, and fortunately, Billy had a little paint scraper in the car, thank God, because we couldn't possibly have gotten those off without the scraper. So we're toiling away at that and getting, oh, what a great target, oh man. But I'll be nice. So Bill finished the job because I was a little bit afraid of puncturing the black pearls with the metal putty knife, but we managed to get them all off and rinsed with our friend Eric's hose, which was still there, thank goodness. And now I'm off to bring one of the fenders, drag one of the fenders up to the car. And that was the end of our little project. And again, it was a beautiful day. It was sunny. It was 59 degrees. And mission accomplished. I'm not doing. Am I still on? Oh, and then here's the pan of what's the boats that are left at the marina, of which there are only two on a dock. I don't know what their plans are. John H. and Twin Escape are still there. And but anyway, it was a beautiful day, and we just wanted to pan the beauty.